Driving schools. They gave him a license, but not experience. That's what Daddy is for. Thanks to the Travel Assist 2.0 package, with things like front assist that automatically stops the car to prevent collision with an oncoming vehicle. Lane assist that keeps the Enyaq in its lane. Side assist that warns you when you don't realize someone is about to overtake from behind. And predictive adaptive cruise control that keeps the Enyaq at a steady pace while making adjustments on the go. That's quite a package, much like his dad.
Travel Assist 2.0 in the Enyaq IV.
Skoda.